Turning pieces of wood into art. The first Keystone State Chainsaw Carving event is underway in Franklin County. And as Fox 43 photojournalist Ryan Rimby shows us, the event features chainsaw carvers from around the world and gives event goers the chance to bid on some of the unique pieces they craft.
Got furloughed at the beginning of the pandemic and was doing unemployment for a little bit. And went out there and started carving every day is when I really started to get into it, a couple years ago. And I was like, we did an event, and a carver's wife actually sat down and talked to me and said, you ought to go home and talk with your wife about doing it full time, and been doing it full time ever since.
I was in the fire service for 33 years. I retired a few years back. I did this as a hobby. So I do it on my own. It's not a profession for me, it's more a hobby. So I just went on the internet, like most people do these days, and researched it, went on YouTube, grabbed a saw, and just started carving and went from there. So right now I'm just doing a pair of owls. I have a little statue here, which is three-dimensional. And again, it's not going to be exact. It's all based on the wood.
It's going to be a 6.5-foot perched eagle. Favorite part is just being able to create something from a log, which most people just look at and see, oh, it's going to be firewood, or I got to figure out what to do with this and scrap it. And we turn it into, a really cool piece of artwork in your yard.
Now the chainsaw carving event continues through Saturday, and we have more information on times and locations, fox43.com. And I guess some folks may want to take an umbrella along if they're heading that way.
100%. Let's get one last look at the 7-day forecast.